Number
right.
3.
Terrazzo, and everybody loves that word if they know what it
Terrazzo.
is.
Yeah.
It brings back so many memories. I mean, truly. So terrazzo is a mix of cement and marble chips and other materials. So it tends to have a flecking to it. A lot of people think of, the oranges
Sure.
with the multicolored greens and blacks. Well, terrazzo's coming back
Yes.
in. And the cool thing about it, it does touch on another trend, which is sustainability. Because you are using chips material, recycled
So
materials.
terrazzo is a more of a composite. It's
It
a
is.
mix.
It is.
Okay.
It is.
I
It's a
didn't know
mix
that.
of cement and marble chips and other
Okay.
kind of porcelain chips.
Okay.
So it is making a comeback. The cool thing about terrazzo that people tend to forget is it's a multi-surface material. It can be used on floors, countertops, and walls.
I'm glad you spoke on that. So so you can't assume that, let's just say a client walks in and they're picking out tile. You cannot assume that that can be used on the floor or the wall, or so the box, the back of the tile, the manufacturer is going to specify what tile can be used where.
Yes.
Got it.